Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech gear for your photography needs. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for Nikon camera enthusiasts, the EN-EL15 battery charger. If you're a Nikon D7100 user or own any of the compatible models, this is a must-have. Let's unpack why. The EN-EL15 charger isn't just any charger, it's designed to meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of Nikon cameras, including the D7100, D7500, D850, and many more. It comes with essential safety features like overcharge, short circuit, and high temperature protection, all certified for peace of mind. Whether you're shooting in the studio or on location, this charger's AC 100 to 240 volts input voltage means you can use it anywhere in the world. It's compact, made from durable ABS material, making it perfect for travel or outdoor shoots. What I love about this charger is its simplicity. Just plug in your EN-EL15 battery, and it charges efficiently without fuss. It's a lifesaver when you're on the go and need reliable power for your Nikon gear. Thousands of photographers trust LP for their charging needs. With over positive ratings on Amazon and being an Amazon's choice product, it's clear why this charger stands out. It's not just about charging, it's about reliability and performance. While there are other chargers out there, the EN-EL15 charger offers exceptional value. You get premium build quality, robust safety features, and a competitive price point compared to OEM alternatives. In conclusion, if you're looking to extend the life of your Nikon batteries and ensure you always have power when you need it, the EN-EL15 charger is your go-to choice. With a 30-day refund policy and a year of warranty, you can purchase with confidence. That wraps up our review of the EN-EL15 battery charger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more reviews and tech insights from Product Critique. Until next time, happy shooting!